begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 8. The foods which increase life, purity, strength, health, joy and cheerfulness, good appetite, which are savory and oleaginous, substantial and agreeable, are dear to the sattvic, pure.
Chapter 17, Shloka 8. Ayusattvabalarogya Sukhapriti Vivardhanaha Rasya Snigdha Stira Hridya Ahara Sattvika Priyaha.
Chapter 17, Shloka 8. A series of symptoms are described by which we can correctly classify ourselves. Food has certain effects upon the eater. The eater is conditioned by certain types of food he takes. Our inner nature is built by the type of food consumed, but our inner nature also commands our tastes. We develop likes for certain types of foods. A close study of the particular foods one likes can give us an insight into their inner nature. There is a natural liking in good men of spiritual urges, sattva, for diet, which increases the vitality, ayu, and not sheer bulk, which supplies the energy for meditative purposes, virya, which discovers for them a secret strength, bala, to resist the temptations for the sense objects, which provide health, arogya, so that they may not fall ill and suffer a break in their regular discipline, sadhana. Such people will have a natural inclination to take food which will enhance joy, priti, and inner cheerfulness, sukha. Such creative men, by their own choice, enjoy only food that is clean and wholesome, with no chance for them, when consumed, to putrefy within. According to the physical properties, the foods in the world can be classified as the savory, the greasy, the firm, and the cordial types of food. Men of purity instinctively like all these types of foods when, after digestion and assimilation, they have the above effects. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.